Toyota has recently given its Harrier a wide range of dress-up parts that makes the SUV extremely more aggressive. Fresh from its recent Japanese market launch, the 2021 Toyota Harrier has been given a range of dress-up kits from the company's Modellista arm. Thanks to the brand's latest efforts, the new Toyota Harrier is offered with two Modellista body kit variants, namely Gran Blaze and Avant Emotional, all the way to make the car look unique in various manners. Both of the two dress-up kits of the 2021 Toyota Harrier are definitely enhancing the exterior and interior premium of the SUV, but they manage to get the distinctions of their own. Those body kits are moderately ornate. The notable changes including large front, side and rear skirts along with chrome or upmarket metallic grey accents. The main difference between two kits is that Gran Blaze comes with sporty quad rectangular tailpipes while the Avant Emotional gets hidden exhaust tips. In order to keep the costs in check, both have common dress-up parts inside and out. The newly designed front grille with illuminated LED treatment, new chrome accents in the bonnet, D-pillars, ORVMs and tailgate. The Modellista accessorized Toyota Harrier also features a rear spoiler and a set of 20-inch dual-tone wing Dancer XIV alloy wheels that also elevates the visual appeal of the vehicle. A special door kit with metal garnishes is also available. Toyota seems to play the lighting card for the interior of its customized Harrier. It boasts of boot light, blue ambient lighting, footwell lights, wood floor for the luggage bay among others. In its home country, the 4th gen Toyota Harrier is on sale with the price in between 2,990,000 yen and 5,040,800 yen. It rides on the company's TNGA K platform and is powered by a 2.0-liter NA dynamic force engine that cranks out 171 PS of maximum power and 207 Newton meters of peak torque. Transmission option for this mill is a CVT unit. The hybridized version of the Toyota Harrier makes use of a 2.5-liter engine, good for the max power of 218 PS.